Sir, after listening to you this much, so we are eager to know that what is all about your journey. Tell us something about your journey. That how you came
My
into this
journey.
yeah, sir, how you came into this teaching line and why you adapted this, what all challenges you
Okay.
faced. Yes, sir, all that.
Look, my journey can be split into two parts. The first
Okay.
journey is when I used to teach in a college. And first of all, as I said, I passed out in the year 2009. Now, I got into teaching, right? Okay, I was looking forward to a job and I got into teaching. Uh, I got very inclined to this profession. Let me tell you very honestly, I used to prepare a lot. I mean, you won't believe, for the first 3 to 4 years of this profession, for a lecture of 1 hour, I used to prepare for 2 to 3 hours beforehand.
Impressive.
Whenever I went to the classroom, I wanted to make sure that my lecture flows like water, absolutely water. I don't have to refer any book, nothing of that sort. I just wanted to make sure that I'm an actor and I'm in a theater to perform. That was my mantra. That is exactly how I used to work. And these things really helped me a lot for making videos as well. So time passed by, and then it was in the year 2016 or 17. I don't remember that very well. I just thought one thing. Look, the profession of teaching is very, very demanding these days.
Yes, sir,
And
that's true.
in tier two, tier three cities, the kind of pay that you get from engineering colleges, let me tell you very frankly, it's very demotivating. So you have to do something. You have to do something else. So I was already taking tuition classes of engineering drawing. I'm quite popular in my city regarding this subject. So these student used to come to me. Okay, that was I mean that was one way of generating a parallel income. But something else has to be done. My dreams were big. Let me tell you very frankly. I wanted to make it big. I wanted to reach as many students as I can. So there was a challenge in front of me. Go to YouTube, post your first video, and posting your first video is the biggest challenge. Let me tell you, people hesitate a lot, and
Yes, sir.
so I did. Okay, I posted my first video, and then nothing happened. Where there were very less views, and but gradually in a year or so, the first video that I posted got somewhere around 5,000 to 10,000 views, and a lot of people were writing to me that, sir, please make more videos on more chapters, and
So
that was
that,
I was motivated. And
yeah.
during those days, there wasn't enough mobile device connectivity. So I mean, the time I started, there wasn't even Geo, I guess.
Okay, okay,
So
sir.
the only watchers of your channel were through broadband or who had Wi-Fi in their homes.
Yeah, yeah, true, sir.
So, I mean, what I mean to say is that the reach was very low, but gradually internet connectivity has improved 10 to 100 times, I would say, in India. Hmm? It has from cities into villages, everywhere there is internet, you would find now, and that has really helped me quite a lot.
Okay,
And
okay.
initially, I used to make videos in Hindi. So students said to me, "Sir, I mean, Hindi is not universal, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
In
yeah.
each and every part of India, people don't speak Hindi. But if you're an engineering student, if you're an engineering student, you must understand English." Then I thought let's do it one way. I would be making all the videos in English. And year after year, it took me almost 2 to 2.5 years to complete this one subject of engineering drawing. Now it's absolutely complete. All the chapters have been dealt, and I'm sure that it's going to be helping a lot of students, lakhs and lakhs of students. In fact, they keep on messaging me either through the comment section of YouTube or through Facebook. Yes, a lot of time has passed by, a lot of hard work has been put in. I mean, there are as many as 180 videos on engineering drawing only, and I am sure that it has helped a lot of students.
Yeah,
Just by
sir.
reading their comments, I can understand that very well.
Yeah, sir. In fact, I am also a mechanical student from first year. So I refer to your videos for AutoCAD drawing and
Okay.
graphics. They are really helpful, sir. They are really a savior for us. Sometimes some of the concepts we
Thank
are
you very
unable to
much.
understand, and your videos really help us. So, sir, one more question. So,
Okay, I'll be very helpful to you in the second year also.
sir, we don't know the curriculum na, for the second year. So, for the first year, we watch your
Okay,
videos,
okay.
and that is really helpful, too much effective for us.